Ever felt like tech is more confusing than helpful? What if I told you there are hidden tricks that could make you look like a tech genius? Your phone's camera is smarter than you think. It can scan and translate text instantly, identify plants, and even solve math problems. Keyboard shortcuts can save you hours. Ever accidentally close a browser tab? Ctrl Shift T reopens it instantly. Password managers are your best friend. They securely store all your passwords, so you only need to remember one master password. Automate your life with IFTTT and Zapier. Imagine your smart lights turning off automatically when you leave home. Turn your old phone into a security camera. With apps like Alfred, you can monitor your front door from anywhere. Dark mode isn't just for looks. It reduces eye strain and saves battery life, especially on OLED screens. Master voice commands with Google Assistant. Find your phone, set reminders, and turn off the lights without getting out of bed. Speed up your internet with DNS settings. Switching to Cloudflare's DNS can make your internet faster and more secure. Clean up your digital life with cloud storage. Keep everything organized and accessible from anywhere.